I just discovered magic. I learned how to use my essential oils to make an all-natural face serum, and I'm so excited to show you how. So let's make this glow serum so that your skin can be really radiant and glorious. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started with this month's recipe. Before I tell you what you will need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth love teaching people how to use essential oils. And that is why with this month's theme, Beauty Box, we'll give you everything you need to make all natural makeup. Or you can find what you need on simplyearth.com. Let's get started making this month's recipes. First things first, you're gonna wanna grab your big bonus box, as well as your December recipe box. We are going to do the Glow Serum. So I'm gonna grab my recipe card. I'm also gonna grab my labels, marjoram, good vibes, as well as cedarwood atlas for the essential oils. We are also going to use our almond oil from our big bonus box. For our extras, we're gonna find a 1 ounce serum bottle. You can get these on simplyearth.com, or you can find a 1 ounce serum bottle at home. Let's get started. The first step to our recipe, we're gonna mix all of our essential oils and our almond oil into a small bowl. And then we are going to put all of those ingredients into our serum bottle. All right, first things first, we're going to grab 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Almond oil is a really great carrier oil for your skin. It has really great chemical properties that make it super skin nourishing. It blends well with our essential oils, and your skin is gonna love having almond oil on it. All right, now we're gonna add our essential oils. We are going to add 3 drops of marjoram. Marjoram is another essential oil that's super good for your skin. We are going to add 2 drops of our Good Vibes blend. Our Good Vibes blend has lavender, lemon, hoe-wood, geranium, and clary sage, all of which are, again, really great for skin nourishing and balancing out blemishes on your skin. And last but not least, 1 drop of our cedarwood atlas. All right, now we are going to mix our essential oils and our carrier oil up very, very well so that they're evenly incorporated, so that the carrier oil and the essential oils are blended well together, making them safe for your skin. And we are going to now put this into our serum bottle. You can try pouring this in if you want on your own. I'm gonna grab a little funnel because it works better for me. All right, now that our mixture is in our bottle, I'm gonna screw the cap on. I'm gonna just stir it up just to make sure one last time that all the ingredients are evenly incorporated. I'm gonna grab my sticker, put that guy on. I can also put the date on here if I want to. Now that our blend is ready to go to use, you are going to open your bottle. I'm probably gonna do about 4 drops for using it on my face. And then I will apply the serum to my face. You can make this too. I absolutely love seeing your creations on social media. Go ahead and take a picture and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that we can see all of your lovely recipes. If you want to turn your essential oils that are just sitting on your shelf into products just like this, you need the Simply Earth recipe box. Because this box actually teaches you how to use your essential oils.